Monitor a TiDB cluster. Cluster status shows the status of running clusters on a cluster page. There are 6 cluster statuses. Normal, when the cluster is running normally. Creating, cluster creation running. Scaling, TiDB and TiKV are scaling. Upgrading, during a TiDB version upgrade. Unavailable, TiDB Cloud service is unavailable. And unhealthy, part of the nodes are unavailable. There are 4 statuses for a TiDB node. Normal, when the node is running normally. Creating, while creating the node. Unavailable, when the TiDB node is unavailable. And terminating, when the TiDB node is terminating. There are 5 statuses for a TiKV node. Normal, when the node is running normally. Creating, while creating the node. Unavailable, when the TiKV node is not available. Terminating, when the TiKV node is terminating. And leaving will indicate that the TiKV node is migrating the current node data before termination. There are several commonly used cluster metrics. The metrics currently available in TiDB Cloud include total QPS, or total queries per second, latency, or query processing time, connections, which refers to the number of server connections, storage size, which is the physical space required, TiDB CPU, or TiDB's usage of processing resources, TiKV CPU, which is TiKV's usage of processing resources, TiKV I/O read, which is TiKV's read requests, and TiKV I/O write, which is TiKV's I/O write requests. This demonstration will show you how to locate cluster status, node status, and monitoring metrics in TiDB Cloud. Sign in to TiDB Cloud. On the Active Cluster screen, notice that Test Cluster has status normal. On the right, there are graphs for 2 key indicators: total QPS, or queries per second, and latency, the time it takes for a query to complete. Low latency indicates minimal delay in execution of queries. You can use your mouse to highlight details for a single point on the graph. Click the cluster name to see all of the commonly used metrics on one page. Metrics are time-dependent, and by selecting one of the options from this drop-down menu, you can set the metric refresh interval. Additional status can be located from the Node Map tab. From the Node Map, you can see the status for each of the TiDB nodes and TiKV nodes. Click Logout under Cluster Owner to complete your session. This completes the demonstration on how to monitor a TiDB Cloud cluster.